I'm about to share a simple trick that saved me tons of time, turning long videos into short, punchy promo reels. First, all I had to do was drop a link to one of my course pages into this AI tool and tell it I wanted a quick 30-second Instagram reel. The AI analyzed the page instantly and gave me a draft script, kind of like it read my mind. It wasn't perfect out of the box, it wrote about me in third person and needed a friendlier tone, but that's easy to fix. I quickly adjusted the captions, moved them down so they didn't cover faces, and changed the font to match my style. One thing I love, the AI finds the most engaging moments from long videos automatically, so I don't have to hunt for them myself. After that, I swapped out watermarked stock clips for clean vertical videos from Pexels. It's free and perfect for social. I replaced awkward third-person lines with first-person ones to keep everything sounding natural and personal. I also switched the language settings to UK English and tested different voiceover options until I found a neutral tone that sounded clear and friendly. Tiny caption tweaks made a big difference too. Shorter lines, brand font, and placed lower so they're easier to read on mobile. For the Instagram caption, I used a chat tool to whip up 3 options: a quick hook, a value story, and one with a discount code. But the real game changer was the content calendar and scheduling, planning posts with captions, and auto-publishing from one place. Unlike some other editors, this tool focuses on what really matters: finding the highlights, formatting for socials, and helping you post consistently. A couple quick tips: keep some personal B-roll to avoid generic feels, use first-person voice for personal accounts, and pick clear, neutral voiceovers. My final reel said something like, 40,000 students have joined. Are you next? Let me show you social media strategies that work. It felt clean and drove people to my bio link. I layered in different caption styles to match different post goals, making sure the promo felt fresh without cluttering the video. Sure, other tools like InVideo or Pexels are great for bits and pieces, and chat tools help with captions, but this tool pulls it all together in one easy workflow. If you want to scale your short-form content without the week-long editing grind, this setup is a total lifesaver. I'll keep using a mix: stock clips from Pexels, chat tools for captions, but this AI tool is the glue that makes it all work smoothly. Hope this walkthrough helps. Next time, I can show you how to set your scheduling and caption templates so you're ready to turn one long video into a week of polished shorts. See you in the next one.